Welcome back to Recipes. I'm Jess and I make recipes that are fun, easy, and healthy. Today I'm going to try out my new Instapot, making a really simple meal with just 5 ingredients. You're going to need a package of chicken, a package of frozen broccoli, some rice, some cheese, and some chicken stock. So let's begin. I'm starting off by measuring my ingredients, so 1.5 cups of stock, 1 cup of rice, and my bag of broccoli was 16 ounces. The recipe calls for 10, so a little more than half a bag of the broccoli. And then I also need to chop up my chicken into bite-sized pieces, so I'll do that now. My ingredients are ready, so I'm going to put them in the Instapot. So start with a little bit of spray. Then I will put in my chicken. Spread that around. Then I will put in my broccoli, my rice, and the broth. I'm going to give that a stir to make sure that the rice gets to the liquid so that it will cook properly. So now you can see everything is pretty evenly distributed. My ingredients are in, so I'm going to set my Instapot. So I'm going to do manual. I'm going to say pressure cook, pressure level high, and gonna go down to 10 minutes. Okay, we are on. All right, so set it and forget it. See you soon. All right, the Instapot has beeped, so I'm gonna vent it, take the cover off, and then I'm gonna mix in 1 cup of my cheddar cheese. All right, here we go. Gonna take the top off. That looks nice. Give a stir. I would show you, but it's very steamy, and I think that will steam up the camera. All right, so shake in my cheese. Give that a stir. And it should melt in. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, so the cheese is melting right into the mixture. I think we're good. I'm ready to portion it out for my meals for the week. It's all portioned out. It made 4 meals at 1.5 cups each, so I have 3 for the week and 1 to eat now. I hope you liked this recipe. Please like the video if you did, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next recipe soon. Bye!